Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad that you're here today. I hope you're having a great day or the day of your choice. And today, I'm going to ask you to like, comment, and subscribe. I have kind of a mega haul. It's a haul from all kinds of different places with all kinds of different things. And I think you might like it. I think you might like it. I know I do. And I broke a nail. It makes me so sad. But at least it didn't break all the way off. First up, from Target, my favorite face wipes. I use these exclusively for my face, and these are the number 7 Radiant Results. There's 60 face wipes in here, and it gets every bit of makeup off my face. And even the toughest waterproof makeup, the toughest, matte dry lipsticks, it gets everything off. And for $10.99 you get 60. And this is fantastic, and I love these, and I will never stop buying these because I love them so much, and they're just super great quality. Second is I got a little haul from LeLe Posh, and I got some extra things in here. I ordered 4 eyeshadows, and I got, I think, 5 eyeshadows and then 2 other items. So I got, this doesn't have a name on it. I got this real sparkly pretty silver. I got this, let's see, should I try to open it? That's silver. I got this was like called Graveyard or something. It's just a really beautiful blue, gray, purple kind of, it's got a little pink in it. Just beautiful. Don't remember getting this, but this is a gorgeous teal. And I spent like $20 with shipping and everything, and just to order the 4. And this green, I know I got this green. This green is stunning. It goes with my shirt. It's very cool. And then I know I ordered this one. This is the Debutante color, which is just a beautiful, beautiful lilac color that's super shimmery. I'm not doing swatches because I need to get these in a Z palette. And then I accidentally cut the packaging on this, and this is called Pina Colada, and I'm not sure. I think it's just a shadow, but it's beautiful shimmer. I'm gonna touch this one. Oh, I'm in love with it. Pina Colada is delightful, and it's a huge pan. That's gorgeous. And then I got this, which is called I don't know, AMOLKFY. I'm not sure, but it's got a beautiful little package. It's a little tin. And it's got a little face on it. It says LeLe Posh. Let me see if I can't. I'm not sure if I can open it. Oh. Let's see, I've almost got it open. Ah. It's some kind of balm. It's some kind of balm. I don't know. It's a lip balm. But it feels nice. It's in a cute little tin. So I got quite a bit of things. I only ordered 4 colors, and I got 6 colors and a lip balm. And that was just something sweet that she did on her own. I can't remember the name. I think it's Dinah or something like that is the owner's name. A lot of my friends love LeLe Posh and totally hit me to them. So I've got that over here with my eyeshadow collection. Next up, from Boxy Pop-Up or Boxy Add Ons, I got the Hank and Henry Fuego palette because my friend Jeannie from Unfiltered 50s swears by this formula, and it is gorgeous, and I can't wait to try that out. So I'm going to put that in my try-out pile. And then I got the Sweet Tooth palette. And I'm not a huge into pastels, but she swore that, and I believe what she says because she knows her stuff. And this is just a really gorgeous, pretty pastel palette. And even if I don't use it right away, like springtime will show up eventually. Or maybe I want to do a springtime look in the middle of winter. Who knows? I'm crazy like that. Next up, I got some things from Ulta. And as a free gift, because I bought something from Ulta, I got this little makeup bag. And it's got stuff inside. And I'm not going to take it all out, but it looks like there's a mascara. There's a mascara, there's a brush, there's a washcloth, there's a lipstick, there's some, you know, little tubey things of stuff from Ulta, and it is supposed to be 2, 3, 4. And there's like a palette. There's a little palette in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then this makes 9. It's an 8 or 9 item thing for free. The cats are being chaotic, which is not news because they're cats, and it's National Cat Day when I'm recording this. So we love them so much. And then here comes the rest of the stuff that I got from Ulta. I got some fancy little hair clips to keep my hair back and cute. I got these on clearance for like $3. I got this really cool wide tooth comb so I can part my hair better when I want to do braids. And this is like $2, and it's all super cool leopard, no, snake skin. Why did I say leopard? Because the other ones look like leopard. And then for all these loose eyeshadows that I'm starting to get, I got a Z palette. And I got the free stuff because I bought the Z palette. And it also comes with the magnets, which is really cool. It was like 20 bucks. They go on sale all the time, but I didn't want to wait for a sale. And to keep my hair toned and blonde, pale blonde, I use the Shimmer Lights Violet Toning Mask, and it really keeps the brassiness. If you've got blonde hair and it starts to get brassy, you just put this on and leave it on for about 5 minutes in the shower. You wash it out and your hair looks completely toned and different. It makes the brassiness go away. And then last but not least, in all the bubble wrap, I'm not a huge Morphe fan, but this palette really spoke to me. And this is the Morphe's holiday palette, and it's called Natural Flirt. It's 35XO from Morphe, and the package is gorgeous. And everything is bubbled wrapped to the heavens. And it is just a stunning, stunning palette. I've got it upside down and backwards. And then I can't wait to see the inside because the pictures look, I know I've got this color story like several times in my palettes, but this all together is gorgeous. And look at that glitter in the middle. That is so cool. But I'm gonna look forward to try out this formula and see if it's better than my past experiences with Morphe. But this is just a beautiful palette for the holidays. And if you gave that to almost anybody, they would be happy about it. So that is it. That is my haul today with my stuff from Ulta, my stuff from Boxy Add Ons, my stuff from Target, and that is it. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.